attend, attend. She is attending a meeting. She is attending a meeting. Build, build. We are building a treehouse. We are building a treehouse. Paint, paint. He is painting a portrait. He is painting a portrait. Jump, jump. The kids are jumping on the bed. The kids are jumping on the bed. Knit, knit. She is knitting a sweater. She is knitting a sweater. Have, have. They are having a party. They are having a party. Talk, talk. I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my friend.
Prepare, prepare.
The chef is preparing the meal. The chef is preparing the meal. Where? Where? She is wearing a blue dress. She is wearing a blue dress. Fix, fix. They are fixing the roof. They are fixing the roof.
Jog, jog.
He is jogging in the park. He is jogging in the park. Pack, pack. We are packing our bags. We are packing our bags. Bake, bake. She is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. Take, take. The students are taking notes. The students are taking notes. Clean, clean. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room.
Mow, mow.
He is mowing the lawn. He is mowing the lawn. Dance, dance. They are dancing together. They are dancing together. Listen. Listen. He is listening to music. He is listening to music. Plan. Plan. We are planning a trip. We are planning a trip. Chase. Chase. The dog is chasing the ball. The dog is chasing the ball. Drawing. Drawing. She's talented at drawing portraits. She's talented at drawing portraits. Drive. Drive. She learned to drive a car last year. She learned to drive a car last year. Cut. Cut. She cut her hair short for a new look. She cut her hair short for a new look. Play. Play.
We are going to play game at the party. We are going to play game at the party.
Plan. Plan. I'm planning a trip to Europe next month. I'm planning a trip to Europe next month. Water. Water. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.